Alright, so coming from the Arvo, finished work, coming home, and I have decided this very old fella with that young hen that's in the bottle are going to be a new pair. So hopefully they get paired in a week and we can put them back in the big cubby loft. And slowly but surely we should be getting something out of this pair. So I've been waiting to pair this boy to something different just to see, but he's always been paired to a amazing saddle, which I did sell. So I figured that's the only way that I'm going to pair him with something else. Which now that's what we're doing, and let's see what they're going to do, because that is his daughter. They both got that small style, small crest, smallish beak, even short feet. You can call it a very one of the old school styles, I think.